Namaskar and good morning. Today we'll take a look at GM Breweries Limited with reference to its Q2 results. GM Breweries is always one among the first to declare results. The results are not so great, but GM Breweries has potential. It is engaged in the manufacture of alcoholic liquor. Main products are brandy, rum and whiskey. Brand names are Pioneer, Dr. Brandy, Pioneer Special Dr. Brandy, Hot Shot Rum, and Reporter Choice Whiskey, and so on. Management consists of Jimmy Almeida, Chairman and Managing Director, Jyoti Almeida, Whole-time Director. Now we'll look at the Q2 results. Net sales are 73 crores in Q2. Q1 was higher, previous quarter was higher at 97 crores. Its previous quarter was still higher at 109 crores. Its previous quarter was still higher at 120 crores. And Q1 of last year was much higher at 121 crores. So the net sales have been coming down not just in the last 1 or 2 quarters but all the 5 quarters. Year on year drop is 40%, quarter on quarter drop is 25%. Raw material prices have also come down. Year on year drop is 45.5%. Quarter on quarter drop is 156%. So that has saved the day. Let us look at net profit. Net profit is 11.21 crores in Q2, 2.43 crores in Q1. Very low, but higher at 17.76 crores in the previous quarter, that is Q3. In Q2 it was 13.98 crores, in Q1 19.85 crores. So Q1 of last year had the highest net profit and it has been sliding down and now it is at 11.21 crores. So net profit is down by 43.5% year on year and higher with reference to previous quarter. Previous quarter was lowest, just 2.43 crores was the net profit, now 11.21 crores. So with reference to previous quarter, quarter on quarter 361% increase. But year on year 43.5% decrease. Equity capital is 18.29 crores. Basic EPS on 10 rupees share is 6.13. Market price is 385 currently. So with reference to the basic EPS of 6.13 and market price of 385, if you calculate the annualized price earning by 15.7, volumes are very low, 5,190. So that is a point to be noted. Volumes are very low means buying and selling there is some friction. 52-week low price is 220, high price is 470. So it is somewhere in the middle now. Let us also take a look at the last 5 years annual results. Sales have been increasing. 5 years ago, March 2016, 359 crores, March 2017 375 crores, March 2018 425 crores, March 2019 464 crores and March 2020 468 crores. So sales have been increasing in the last 5 years consistently. Net profit, however, was moving up down. 58 crores 5 years ago, then 43 crores 4 years ago, 72 crores 3 years ago, 82 crores 2 years ago, and 1 year ago 67 crores. So, okay, profit level is okay, but it has not increased significantly. It has been paying dividend at around 30% for the last 5 years. Now, if you look at the per share ratios, basic EPS now is 37.12. 5 years ago, it was 49.85. Earnings per share has come down. Now, book value from 154, it has increased to 235. Dividend, as I said, 30% usually. Face value 10 rupees. Gross profit margin has come down from 25.55 to 20.93. Operating margin has come down in the last 5 years from 24 to 19.38. Net profit margin has come down from 16 to 14. Return on net worth has come down almost half, from 32% to 15.76%. So return on net worth has come down drastically. ROCE, return on capital employed, from 31 to 21. Return on assets from 25 to 14. So all return ratios have come down in the last 5 years. Now, growth ratios, if you see, 3-year CAGR on sales percentage is 4.9%, low. 3-year CAGR net profit, we are calculating 3 years only, minus 3.53. So the growth ratios are also very low. Now, if you look at historical prices, let us take a look at. Now, 3 years before, the price was 572. 2 years before, 577. 1 year before, 382. 3 months before, 398. Now 385. So there has been absolutely no increase in the historical prices. But of course, this has to be qualified by one statement. They have issued a bonus share in the ratio of 1:4 some 2 years ago. So anyway, prices have not increased much. Prices have not increased much. Both are correct. Shareholding pattern, if you look at that, promoters hold 74.43%. There is no pledging. You see, this is one thing good about GM Breweries. There is no pledging, there is no debt also. So, debt-free company, pledge-free company. So, bonus has been issued consistently, say 2014, 1:4 ratio. 2016, 1:4. 2018, again 1:4 ratio. Ratio is not great, but some bonus bonus policy is good. But you see, the prices have not increased, market price have not increased. So there was no real benefit of the bonus for the investors. The second quarter earnings, therefore, are not great. First quarter earning we can understand, see, total lockdown. Second quarter earning also, bars, restaurants were closed. They are opened only recently, 1st October or something like that. Therefore, second quarter earnings are also muted due to ongoing lockdowns in metropolitan Bombay, etc., etc. But the raw material prices have also come down. That has given some respite to GM Breweries. So, country liquor volume sales have come down drastically. Government had closed bars and restaurants during this period also. Input costs were less. Raw material prices were benign. Now, government is opening from first week of October. So, slowly, the sales will increase and profits also are likely to increase from Q3 onwards. Good monsoon also is there, therefore that also may help. So, this is the position of GM Breweries. It's a steady share, issuing bonuses periodically. But the sales, of course, have been increasing in the last 5 years, but during the last 5 quarters, there is not much increase. Profits have been topsy-turvy. So we have to watch the future quarters to judge how much it will benefit. Now, see, migration of labor also was there from Bombay to Bihar. Now they are coming back slowly. They may come back by the end of December fully, probably. So that is how GM Brewery stands. Now, based on that, we can't really predict what will be the trend in Q3, Q4, etc. There will be a slight increase. There will be definitely slight increase. How much increase will be there, it is difficult to say at this point of time. Let us wait, watch, and then take our decisions. Thank you.